Hey Sean, it's Max. This is the video that I promised you from the Facebook group. So here it is. I can show you a few things that you can do to utilize a website in order to bring in a lot more customers through an online presence. First of all, I just want to say I really like how your Facebook page is set up. I like this click to call button here. Just makes it a lot easier for people to reach you, especially because these Facebook pages kind of show up well on Google's terms. But yeah, that's basically what we're going to be talking about here is finding select keywords and how to rank for them. So basically how to come up in this Google Map Pack or in this #1 seed here. So I wanted to show you this. I picked those select keywords, general contractors, Buffalo, New York, because I couldn't really find anything for Western New York. And so there's quite a bit here for painters and I guess it's Rochester, painters in Buffalo, and general contractors in Buffalo and Rochester as well. But I'm just going to use one of them as the example today. General contractors Buffalo, New York gets about 280 searches a month. So that's 280 people every month searching for the service that you offer. And I think that's why it's really important to be up here in these listings right off the bat there. So the main three ways that we were to do that is first, you build a website, and on that website, I'll use your competitor as an example today. You want your content on your home page to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you want those words to be rich with select keywords. And so if I went in here and I copied and pasted your competitor's content in here, and see they only have 1,000 words and probably only a few keywords in there. So if you did 1,500 or 2,000 words and you sprinkled these general contracting and painting keywords in there, you'd become a lot more relevant to those searches. The next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And backlinks is basically one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. So if we take his URL and we throw it into this tool that I use, it's going to show us the back end of his website, and we'll be able to kind of analyze him and gauge how many backlinks you would have to have in order to outrank him. And see, he only has 61, which really isn't that bad. His website health is doing pretty good. You would want these numbers to be really close, so like 21 and 21 would be perfect. But 61 backlinks isn't bad from only 26 different sites. So really that's only like 26 sites voting him as worthy of ranking for those keywords. That's essentially what it is, excuse me. And the third and final thing that I'm going to show you is a citation. And all that is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And then it helps this GMB rank as well, because you have your name, address, and phone number verified. And that's really all that this GMB is it just is Google verifying your information and then putting you as a trusted contractor for those select keywords. So I hope that this was informative and helpful, and I will reach back out to you tomorrow to just kind of follow up with you and get your feedback from this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you for your time.